How to refill toner cartridge 326 for Canon LBP6230W printer. Welcome to Tech Fix Everything's, a channel dedicated to sharing techniques and experience in repairing printers, photocopiers, and all types of toner cartridges. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to refill the toner cartridge for Canon LBP6230 series printers. This cartridge is a compatible replacement, made in China. It's affordable, but offers excellent quality. First, remove the two plastic pins at both ends of the toner cartridge to separate it into the drum unit and the toner unit. After splitting the toner cartridge, I will start with the toner unit first. You may notice blank spots on the magnetic roller. This is because the toner has run out. The toner inside the cartridge chamber isn't enough to evenly coat the roller, which results in white streaks, faded prints, or missing content when printing. Since this cartridge has only been used once and is already empty, to ensure the best print quality after refilling, I will disassemble it to inspect the magnetic roller and the toner blade as well. Please pay attention to the cap at the end of the magnetic roller. This hole is D-shaped, so when reassembling, the core of the magnetic roller must align correctly with the D-shaped hole. There is a spring at the end of the magnetic roller. Please note, if the spring is broken or missing, your prints will come out blank. This is how I refill most toner cartridges. Remove the magnetic roller, clean its surface thoroughly to remove any toner buildup, and if the toner blade is bent or has excessive toner residue, I replace it immediately. I will use a toner vacuum to remove any remaining toner inside the toner unit. If you do this carefully, the print quality and stability will be at their highest after refilling. Make sure to clean the magnetic roller thoroughly. If the roller is in poor condition, you should replace it to ensure high-quality prints. And this is the small blade, also called the toner blade. Its function is to ensure that only a thin layer of toner is evenly spread across the magnetic roller. To maintain the best print quality, it's recommended to replace it after each refill. Next is the drum unit. Remove the drum, Then take out the charge roller and the drum blade to discard the waste toner. Use a flathead screwdriver to push out the drum pins. Then remove the drum. It's best to wrap the drum carefully in a sheet of paper and keep it away from your workspace to avoid accidentally damaging it. Next, remove the charge roller and then unscrew the 2 screws securing the drum blade. The drum blade functions to clean off toner stuck on the drum surface after each printing cycle. And this is the waste toner, which should be discarded. If you don't have a toner vacuum, pour it out safely. Note that toner is a hazardous chemical, so make sure to wear a mask when refilling. Use 2 fingers to gently slide up this plastic piece. This seal works together with the drum blade, fitting tightly against the drum surface to prevent waste toner from spilling out. Use 70% or 90% alcohol, apply it to a cloth, and thoroughly clean the charge roller. Finally, here's the print result perfectly clean. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to support Tech Fix Everything's.